What is up, you guys? Welcome to the first episode of Making Money with Crypto. Today is the 4th of April and I got two coins that I invested in. The hottest one right now is the Win/BNB. As you can see, it's gone up 165% in the last 24 hours. You see that crazy boom in the last 24 hours. It's gone down a little bit right now, but it's still gonna go up higher because it is on the number one spot right now on the BNB section of Binance, which is one of the biggest crypto exchange sites right now. So I currently just put 200 in there. And then there's Safemoon, which I've been following for the past 3 days now. And I first saw it actually when it was 0.6 zeros and 33 cents. And right now, as you can see, it is 1,476 and it was 33. So you could have made a lot of money, putting it lightly. I put it in at 1,003 and I put in 400 USD. And what I have right now is, well, in one day, it's pretty much increased to 100 USD. So from 400, I made 600 and it's going up right now as well. Again, it was going down a while and now it's going up. The thing is, why I know it's gonna go up is because they actually made an announcement on their Instagram. It's right here that they're gonna be going on Whitebit on Monday. So that is why everybody's investing in this, because that's another exchange site like Binance. And then it's really easy to buy a Safemoon and it's gonna go up because of that. So those are the two coins that I have invested in right now. As you can see, with both, I am making a profit, and let's see what happens tomorrow. So with the Win/BNB, I actually made a picture of my computer screen when we bought it, and it was 312. Right now it's 555, let's say. And let's see what it's gonna be tomorrow. It's going to be exciting to see. So 555. If you have like something to put in to Binance right now, I would definitely put it on this. It's going up like crazy, and Binance is safe as well. You can get the money out real quick if you need to. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys tomorrow.